Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Welcome everyone. This is PBL activity number 4, which is completed under guidance of Professor Mayur Zataf, and our group members are Sahil Pawar, Pooja Kamble, Shubham Mane, and Abhijit Rathod. Our topic is to introduce various types of survey and surveying instruments. Before we start, let us know what is survey in civil engineering. Surveying or land surveying is the technique, profession, art, and science of determining three-dimensional position of a point, its distance, and also angle between them. Civil surveying is an engineering operation that involves assessing and recording details about an area of land. This observation can then be used to help plan construction project. History of civil surveying. The history of civil surveying goes back to ancient time. Egyptians used geometry to re-establish farm boundaries after dramatic flooding along the Nile River, and they used surveying techniques to design and construct massive geometrically precise pyramid at Giza, one of the wonders of the ancient world. Types of civil survey. The first one is chain surveying, second compass surveying, third plane table surveying, fourth theodolite surveying, fifth photographic surveying, and the last one is tachometric surveying. The first one is chain surveying. Chain surveying is the branch of surveying in which only linear measurements are made in the field. This is suitable only for the survey of small areas with simple details and area that is fairly flat. It derives its name from the fact that the principal equipment commonly used is the chain. The second one is compass surveying. Compass surveying is the branch of survey in which the position of an object is located using angular measurement determined by compass and linear measurement using chain or tape. The instrument used in compass surveying is prismatic compass. The third one is plane table surveying. Plane table surveying is a graphical method of survey in which the field observation and plotting are done simultaneously. It is simple and cheaper than theodolite survey, but it is mostly suitable for small scale survey. The instrument used for plane table surveying are plane table, alidade, tripod, compass, and plumb bob. Now the fourth one is theodolite surveying. Theodolite is a precision instrument used for measurement angles both vertically and horizontally. Theodolite can rotate along their horizontal axis as well as vertical axis and have a lot of common with the transits. The instrument used in the survey is theodolite. The fifth one is photographic surveying. Photographic surveying is also called as photograph icing, is a method of surveying in which plans or maps are prepared from photography taken at a suitable camera station, or a photograph is the science of making measurement from photograph. The basic equipments for creating 3D model using photogrammetry consist of digital camera, tripod, and computer. The last one is tachometric surveying. Tachometric surveying is a method of angular surveying in which the horizontal distance from the instrument to the staff station are determined from instrumental observation only. Thus, the chain operation are eliminated.